G'day guys, so we have been working very hard lately. We've moved into this brand new house we've had built, and I think after all of this landscaping we've done, see I've got the grass put in now, we deserve a holiday. So tonight we're flying to Hawaii. Obviously, I'm here by myself. I ain't going to take Emma, but she's just off doing, girly things, getting pre-holiday ready, getting her nails done, hair, all that kind of stuff. And meanwhile, I just got to figure out the security alarm on this house. That's it from me. We made it to Hawaii. I'm tired. We'll catch up in a mo. Are you going to say aloha?
Yeah.
Okay.
Aloha.
Oh God. Emma made it.
Yay.
So we're now obviously in Waikiki. We made a little plan in the hotel. Hopefully this microphone's holding up to all this noise. We're going to eat first because that's what we do. We're going to go to the Hula Dog, which I'll describe more when we're actually at the Hula Dog, but it's basically like this. There's this sweetness, this savouriness, and this dogginess.
It's basically a hot dog.
It's a hot dog.
Yeah. Hey, food.
Yeah. How to order your Hula Dog. So we ordered a traditional lemonade, which I know is American style, so it's
Freshly squeezed.
freshly squeezed lemons. Hula dogs, which were, well, you got traditional.
Kind of, yeah, I suppose.
Kind of a traditional, that's fine. I went all out. Got Polish sausage with the garlic lemon secret sauce and mango relish and some kind of mustard.
Hawaiian mustard, yeah.
Yeah, on a bacon taro bun.
Interesting.
And lemonade. We're not very good at showing our food. As soon as we're like, oh yeah, here's our food, we just want to eat it straight away and then devour. So thoughts on the Hula Dog?
Too much bun, not enough dog.
Actually, I'd agree with that. The bun to dog ratio is way off.
Tasted just like a hot dog.
And we had two different ones, they both tasted the same.
Exactly the same.
But okay.
Yeah.
Look, when I was here 7 years ago, it was actually an amazing experience. I got covered in all the sauce and chutney and it was delicious and I loved it. Not so much this
They're
time.
cost cutting now.
Yeah, cost cutting. We're going to head down to the beach.
Hey, beach.
Yay beach, we thought we should at least go to see the beach on day one before we pass out for the next 12 hours.
I believe we're still going after our flight, to be honest.
Right? It's been about at least over 24 hours now we've been awake.
Anyway, don't question it.
No, should we go down that way?
Look, beach.
Look, beach. I was just saying before, it's kind of just like a condensed version of the Gold Coast.
A little bit, yeah. Beautiful though.
Oh, beautiful. A lot of surfers when there's no surf. So basically, just going to go shopping now to get all supplies for the week, and we'll call it a night. We'll go have our little nappy nap, 12 hours, and then tomorrow we are heading on this cool little charter.
Christmas store.
What?
Sorry.
No matter where we are, it's always fun at Christmas store. I guess we're going to go in there now.
Always fun to Christmas shop.
Oh, well, at least we don't have to do it now for the rest of the trip, so
Well, there's still Mexico.
there's always Mexico. Anyway, back to what I was saying before.
Yes.
We're going to head back to the hotel now, have a sleep, and then we're going to pick up tomorrow where we're heading out for a cruise where we're going to be doing swimming with dolphins, wild dolphins, possibly whales, sea turtles. Don't know what I'm doing with my hand here.
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
Be good just to hold them down by your side. Yeah, great.
Well, we're real happy with
Anyway.